Alright everybody, I was going to do this to my vehicle and I thought I'd share with you what I'm going to do. As we all know that this thing does 8 miles to the gallon, 10 if you're lucky, and I know that this has never been done to this vehicle because they don't even change the oil. The gas filter was original with 145,000 miles on it. So what this is going to do is it's going to clean internally. I'm going to use this bad boy right here, and we're going to put the seafoam inside here, and it's going to go through inside and feed like an IV drip for drip and clean internally all underneath there where the carbon buildup grows and shoot it out the muffler. And that's what we're going to do. So now we're going to find the suction, the intake suction. Sometimes it'll be on the brake booster, but as you see on this vehicle, there's no brake booster. Okay, so we're going to find where the PCV valve goes, where I just replaced on this one. It was also original. And we're going to take the PCV valve out of there. Okay, set that to the side. Then grab this bad boy here I have. Okay, I'm going to set it somewhere. I mean, the best spot will probably just have to be right here. Okay, grab your seafoam. This is the only stuff I use for the gas tank. You could put a couple of ounces in your oil, and you can use it to clean internal. What we're going to do here, what they used to call fuel injection cleaner. So pour about half. I did a little more than half. And since this being a gas guzzler, I bet you it's going to be dirty and it's going to clean it pretty nice. So we'll go ahead and get this back in there. Okay. I'm going to hang it to the side, and I'm going to grab this one. Okay. And then we're going to put it where the PCV valve went. Stick it in there good. And this is just that. So get that in there. Okay. Get that closed. Get everything away. Let's put it over here some more. Should be fine, okay? So, I'm going to go and start the truck. Okay. Now you're going to want to open it. You just want it to drip. There's a little hole in the back, you can get it started. And just let it sit there. You see it dripping in there? And you can see it going through here if you can see it. So we're just going to let that go ahead and chill there for about 15 minutes. I'm just checking in. Still see the IV going down. Still see the juice going through the system. It's going all through here and cleaning inside underneath the upper intake here, getting all that carbon buildup out and shooting it through the muffler. Next, I'm going to open this and see what it looks like, and at least clean that faceplate because I know there's going to be a carbon residue on there too. Okay, so if you look closely, I see smoke coming out of the hood because all that carbon buildup is building up in there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get inside and hit the gas pedal a little bit, rev it up to push it out of the muffler. Let's see what it looks like in the back of the tailpipe. Okay, so we've got nothing coming out no more, so I'm going to go ahead and close that and rev it up just a little bit more, and then we'll shut it off and put it all back together and drive it around a little bit so you can blow all that stuff out of there. Take it down the freeway. And after this, stay away from AM, PM gas and all those cheap low-grade gases and go to Texaco, go to Chevron, go to Shell and put good gas in your vehicle and keep it clean. And if you have a 2500 HD, same vehicle that kind of gets the 10 to the 8 miles to the gallon, you should do this more often to keep the intake nice and clean and get that gas mileage and everything inside just in clean shape. Always keep it clean, just like you wash it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you like and subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up. Peace out.